Shanghai Jiaotou Creative Development Corporation is a professional packaging solution services provider with many years of experience in the printing and packaging industry. We are committed to environmental protection and have been awarded the FSC certificate. Additionally, we have been recognized as a high-end new technology enterprise. Our factory has efficient printing machines and a professional color management system to ensure high-quality packaging. We handle the full process of packaging, including printing, cutting, lamination, hot stamping, varnish, spot UV, flocking, embossing, and debossing. Jiaotou is known for its innovative packaging designs and advanced technology research and development. We have many R&D patents and have developed self-designed shaped box equipment, which can produce heart-shaped, Christmas tree, egg-shaped, and star-shaped boxes with high efficiency, good quality, and competitive prices. Our factory has full automatic and semi-automatic lid and base machines, which can produce a large number of square boxes every day. We also have automatic folding box machines and automatic assembly machines, which reduce costs and provide customers with high quality and competitive price products. Quality and service are our top priorities. Our cooperative laboratory possesses professional equipment to test packaging parameters to ensure quality. Jiaotou is committed to environment-friendly production practices, and we aim to improve our core competitiveness and commercial value through our integrated packaging design and operation services.